Chop it. Chop it.
What you want, brother?
Yeah, for the katsu.
What you say?
You heard it, man? I said I want a katsu.
Hold on. No move. Yo. Step back out of the shop a little bit. Take another step, man.
This is a madman.
You know, boy, something warm in my system at the shop right now. I'm hungry. You know, the shop lock. Sharpie! Sharpie!
Yo.
Now warm up my shop, brother. You know, you know. Yeah, man. Oh, you know what's that? More want a ramen there.
What you say?
Ramen, man. You know ramen. Ramen.
Yo, brother. Step back for me.
What this? Yo, that's what I like. Go on, I better stop there. No, come back to that, brother.
Yeah, I'm cold in the can, Jimmy.
Yeah, man. What do you want?
Yeah, squeeze. Yo, sorry.
Yo, give me 5.
Bad man. What you say you want?
Bad man, me say give me 5. Oh man, what really are going up there? Brace, give me 5.
Run.
A 5 cigarette, go on, dog. 5 cigarette, go on.
What am to the boy? Boy, you want 5. You have to talk fast.